Welcome back to my channel. This is Ray with Ray's Engines. We're here on part 3 of the 4.8 LS turbo build. If you're not a subscriber, go and hit that subscribe button. So basically, here we're going is already installed the crank. If you don't know how to do that part, you can go back to my engine building part 1, and I explain everything how to install it. But what I wanted to show you on this one, it takes degrees. In fact, I can show you this tool. You can get this tool anywhere from any auto parts store. It's not fancy, it's just something simple that you can use. The bolts here, they take 15 foot-pounds of torque. So you put 15 foot-pounds of torque first, which I already did. And then the inner bolts take 80 degrees. The outer bolts take 53 degrees. So, and then you have your side bolts as well for your mains. You need to put silicone in them. If you don't put silicone in them, what's going to happen is going to leak oil through the sides, through your side mains. So make sure you put silicone and then put the bolt in there. These are 18 foot-pounds. You can print all these specs, torque specs, online. You can just look up the LS engine and see all the torque specs on it. So that's where I got my torque specs. So let's go ahead and get started that way. And we're going to start from the center. You always work your way out. You work from the center, you work your way out until you get all of them done. So we're just going to do a couple of them so you can see how this works. So if you can get this set up somehow to where it'll hit on the side of the block or something. So in other words, you can get a shorter socket just to get this done. So just like that. All you're basically going to do is set this to 0. Just like that, it's 0. We're going to put 80 degrees on this one, since it's the inner bolts. All you're going to do is hold this so it doesn't turn on you. You're going to take a breaker bar and just do 80 degrees. And that is 80 degrees right there. So then you just move it to your next one. Put it back to 0. Move it to that one. Just hold this. It doesn't take much to hold it. And then move it 80 degrees. And now we're going to move from here to here all the way out. And that's basically how that works. So again, you can get this any auto parts store. And that's how you're going to set this up. Your rod bolts is the same way. So I'm not going to show you the rod bolts. I'm just going to go ahead and install the pistons, rods, check all my clearances. I have it assembled. I'll go ahead and do another one for the heads when I start porting the heads, because I am going to port the heads on this one. So hope this helps. Hope you understand how this works. Just remember, you always put it back to 0. Move it back to 0, just like that. And then you just hold this part and torque it. It's not that difficult. So hope this helps. And if you're not a subscriber, go and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.